Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. We're here at Whistling Morans in Athi River. We're here for a go-karting race. My brother is one of the racers, so that should be fine. We're just here to support him and yeah, just watch the race and have fun. It is hot in Athi River. You know, my brother just said one day, I'm going, go-karting and I want to do it like seriously. And we're like, oh, okay, that's cool. Because, most people just go for fun. But he really wanted to like do it seriously and like race and practice and learn and everything. So he's been going for practice and this is his first race, so I'm excited and I'm so proud of him that he's doing this for himself, and that he said he wanted to do something and he's actually doing it. So that's inspiring. Honestly, I'm inspired to keep getting out of my comfort zone, and yeah, I'm happy and I'm excited. So I hope he wins. Anyway, so let's go. The first lap that they're gonna do, I think, is like a practice run just to like familiarize with the track and everything. So that's what he's gonna do first, and then after that they have the qualifying one, because I think there's a bunch of people who've like registered. They're like 16 guys who registered for the competition, but there's only 8 carts. So after the practice run, they'll just go do a few laps of qualifiers. And then after that, they'll pick the top 8 to now actually race, compete. So I hope he wins. This is it now. It's time to race. You guys would not believe what just happened. Anyway, so they gave my brother, apparently they randomized the carts. So the cart that he practiced with was number 7, yeah, as you guys saw, and it was fine, yeah. Then apparently during the practice run, cart number 2's wheel, the tire like burst or something, and they didn't even fix it, and then now they've given it to my brother. Like, I'm so pissed. Like, anyway, I went to complain to the guy. No, okay, not to complain, but just to inquire, because I was like, why would you? I get it that you randomize to like make it fair and everything, but you giving him a bastard cart makes it unfair. So anyway, I've talked to the guy and he's like, we'll see what we can do and everything, because that race, honestly, that can't be a qualifying race, and it's not. Wow. I'm so pissed. I can feel it in my voice, but I had to say something, because like my brother can't be disadvantaged and I just sit there and do nothing. Anyway, so I hope they'll go figure out what to do. If it means racing again and removing that cart, I don't know, but let's go see. Ilikuwa flat. Kumbe ziko na pressure.
Nilikuwa nisha give up.
I know, even niliona nikamwambia mama akasema hapo there's something wrong, so nikakuja nikamuuliza.
Give up nisemaje tu.
Uko na acha tumalize.
Let me try.
Yeah. But amesema you'll do the qualifier again.
Amesema
yeah, because ingekuwa fair.
Zile okay, hizi nilikuwa na struggle kwa hili, yes. But hii sikuwa na move at all.
I know. Like even kuangalia from two like and then I think you overlapped fast.
Twice.
The first time was in a few minutes. Look at wondering. Okay.
Chukua downhill naenda. Kila mtu alikula.
Kila mtu. So anyway, his cart has been it's been removed from the race. They're fixing the flat tire, but my brother is qualifying again. Third time's the charm. Okay, sawa. All the best. He's out again. Hi. He's out again because apparently the second qualifying race, he took someone else's spot. So that other person and him will go alone at the end after this one, if that makes sense. 4 times now.
Yeah, I think
You'll have gone 4 times.
Good deal.
I guess, yeah. A whole mess. Anyway, ni sawa tu. Finals. Look at him seated ready. Just say when. That better be your lucky number. Come on. They've just finished the finals. My brother has gone to find out the results. But either way, we know he's top 8. That's it now. We finally got the results. My brother was 7th out of 16. So I'm so happy and I'm so proud of him because he made it to like top 8. So we're happy, we're excited. Anyway, I've left them swimming at the pool and restaurant and pool, whatever. I've left them swimming. I'm on my way out. I got places to be, people to see. So I just wanted to come back on here and just sign out and end the vlog because I realized I haven't done that yet. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to come and what's it called, GP karting, go karting, the place is in Athi River. It's called Whistling Morans. It's called Whistling Morans. It's in Athi River, and I think they charge 1,500 for 10 minutes. I'm not sure, but I'll ask my brother and then I'll put the info in the description box below. And then also for the swimming, they charge at I was about to say 1,000. They charge 300 bob for the swimming, including the cabal thing, the one that you get in. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. And with that said, I will see you guys in the next video. Just kidding. I will park in reverse. Quick exit. Bye. Hey guys, future Margiey here. I just wanted to come on here before we officially start this video and just say that this is my 100th video, and for some reason that's, I don't know how to feel, but I'm excited because I now have 100 videos on my channel, so that's no small feat. And thank you guys for continuing to watch my videos. Thank you for clicking on this one. And I didn't come on here to ramble so much. I just wanted to say this is the 100th video and I'm excited about that.